Hello, good evening. My name is Shekhar, and in today's class, we are going to discuss about urbanization. It means that people from villages are coming to cities in search of jobs and in a better lifestyle. So, we have some students, and they are going to speak in favor of village and in favor of cities. But we are talking that which place is better to live. Now, why people are coming from villages to the cities? If villages are so good, then why people are migrating to the cities? Do you have any opinion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please give your opinion.
Most of the village people migrate in cities for get employment to earn money.
So, in villages, there is a lack of employment. Opportunities are there in cities. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree that, and I think urban areas is because better than villages, because in village there are shortage of lights and
Resources. Mostly you are saying that in villages there is a lack of so many things like school and colleges are not available or their quality is not so good. So if anyone wants to continue their education, higher education, so they have moved to the cities. It becomes a compulsion. Then why can we say that villages are better when there are no resources and so many problems are there in villages? Does anybody else have to say anything? Yes.
Good evening to all. My name is Jitan Patel,
Yes,
and
Jitan.
today's topic is urbanization. Why is increasing this time? So, as my point of view, urbanization is increasing because of if you want to personal growth, then urbanization is fit for you and good for you because every person want to job and they want to improve yourself. So, urbanization is best.
Sambhu has something to say.
So, in my perspective, urban is a place where all the things are organized, and we got a lot of opportunity like employment and got admission and educational opportunity as well. So, there are a lot of opportunities like basic facilities which is not available in the village area, like education, higher education, medical facilities. So, in urban cities, we get best medical facilities around the state within the state, and so that we can say that urban is better, and government is also proposing that we should modernize the villages to make it urban so that they can contribute in the Indian economy. And at this time there are only 35% urban population in India, and government is trying to increase it so that the resources of the villages can utilize. And they are also proposing the smart cities schemes and so on to make the villages smart.
Okay. So on the whole, you are saying that government is trying to urbanize the village as well, rural area as well. So it simply says that urbanization is good thing, and even if the villages are getting urbanized, so that is good thing because villagers have also right to live a healthy and progressive life. Is there anybody else who has something to say on the topic? Yes, come here.
So good evening, sir. My name is Kamal, and I am favor of urban, sir, because urban area is good for every peoples, and that's every peoples can live in urban, and there, sir, we can find a lot of facilities, sir, like education facilities, and sir, good hair care, and sir, a lot of, and if any person want to do prepare a government job like UPSC, sir. So that's in a city area we can take a lot of facility like a coaching center, and we can also reading in the coaching center in a British Institute. So this is also situated in city. And if I talk about village area, sir, so they are not provide, sir, a lot of yes, sir, facilities, and they are basically, sir, people get, sir, a lot of problems in, sir, village compared to cities, sir.
Okay. Who would like to conclude today's topic? Yes. How will you conclude in 1 minute?
So some people have present their views on village, and some have present their views on urban. So I think both are important for the India, and because most of the persons who are living in the urban is their root grounded to the villages. So we should consider that we should provide basic facility at least in the village, and we should also develop more urban cities, more cities, develop sustainable cities, so that the Indian economy can also grow up, and provide basic facilities to the villagers also.
Okay. Give a big clap for our